So these are all of the O-level results that my students obtained last year for 2025 Emath paper. Across all the Sec 4 students that I taught last year, from school students to even private candidates, we saw an average grade jump of 4 grades, which meant that if someone came in at a C6, by the time they took their O-levels, they would be already at an A2. And honestly, if you ask me, it wasn't that surprising. Because of all of the structure and support that I provide at my math tuition center, I think such improvements would be expected. From providing every single student at my center access to my library of A1 Math Academy, where it is essentially my archive of all video online lessons that I've recorded painstakingly over the past 2 to 3 years, that comes with 24/7 turnaround marking service, as well as access to all of the topical and yearly test papers that I've set for my students in the past 2 to 3 years, to our weekly classes at my math tuition center, where I go through very specifically certain question types that would usually come out every single year and honing them on their fundamental concept mastery. Everything that we did last year amounted to the success that my students got this year when they got their O-level results. And to all secondary school and JC students, I want to share this one lesson with you. From now until your major exams is about 10 to 11 months. Every single day, how you choose to show up in your academics will severely change the outcome that you receive in 1 year's time. And even though it might seem like it's so far away from the actual exam itself, I promise you that the habits that you start building from today onwards will lead you to the success down the road. At my math tuition center, I take in any kind of student as long as they want to improve. So that meant that last year I actually took in quite a few students who were really failing, doing really badly, and we managed to get them all to a pass, right? So every single one of my students passed, and I'm so proud of them. And the main reason why all of them did so well and actually passed was not only because of the structure and the support that I provided them, which is basically the weekly classes that we had, plus my 24/7 online learning portal, but also the actions, the worksheets, the tasks that I held them accountable to doing and submitting to us every single week. By assigning weekly homework, weekly worksheet to be done in class and at home, I kept them accountable, got them doing their work very frequently, and applying the concepts that they learn in class very frequently. And as a result, they were able to show up during the exam, gave it their best, and got these results that we now all celebrate for. So if you're looking to replicate the same success, do well in your national exams this year, or even your school exams, then WhatsApp this number over here and I'll send you the details of both my physical classes or my online learning portal package if my center is too far from you. And just for your information, my center is at Chinatown. We just moved in and we're about to start classes officially next week onwards. So for more information, WhatsApp this number over here, and to my batch of 2025, I'm so proud of you. Keep it up.